Tutorial how to log out your Netflix on your smart TV using your remote control. So you need to press these arrows like a code. Like this. Up, up, down, down, left, right, up, 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 up. I have it now. Bye-bye.